$729 a day from affiliate marketing on autopilot.
What's going on, my friends? I'm Nicholas from mindset.win. Welcome to series of videos about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And the lesson today is generating traffic and closing the deal.
Hi, and welcome to the next video in our affiliate marketing training program. As I said, this is going to be a very brief video despite talking about a very complex topic. So we're going to be talking about generating traffic for your particular affiliate blog or blog posting. Now, I'm not going to dedicate a huge amount of time, as I said in our last video, because there's so many different traffic techniques that really depend on your level of expertise, your understanding of how traffic works, your budget, your time budget, as well as your financial budget, because SEO can be done relatively cheap if you do it yourself, but it takes time to do. Obviously, if you have a huge budget, you can go out and purchase traffic. You can do some retargeting. You can buy traffic from Google AdWords, from every search engine. You can buy traffic from Facebook, Twitter ads, Pinterest, Instagram. You can buy social traffic, buy traffic on LinkedIn. You can do solo ads where you're purchasing blasts on other people's newsletters. You can redo targeting. You can do PPV, pay-per-view, where you bid on a certain amount of keywords and people that download certain software. You could do social ads, in-app ads, in-app advertisement. You can do mobile advertisement. I mean, it's this the list of traffic goes on and on and on and on and on. So what is the best traffic for your affiliate blog? I would probably say for starters, it's probably going to be SEO. So that will be the first step. You want to make sure that your blog is optimized for the particular long tail keywords that you're going after. So in our case, we want to make sure that our blog's optimized for CrossFit shoe review, tools for CrossFit, shoes for CrossFit, Reebok shoes, the best Reebok shoes to use for CrossFit, things along those lines. I want to make sure that I have pages of content. I want to make sure I'm using these keywords in my title and my metadata that appears on my site. So SEO will probably be the first step. Okay, obviously you don't want to get too aggressive because you then start going from white hat tactics to kind of more black hat tactics, and you don't want to get your website, especially a new website with a new domain, you don't want to grow too many backlinks from other related sites. SEO will probably be my first step as far as traffic. It will also make purchasing traffic on other platforms a lot easier. Once you start to get some visitors to your site, you can kind of start looking at the analytics and kind of seeing where your traffic's coming from, what demographic is represented in your traffic. You can use that information, those details, to actually go out and make purchase traffic or paid traffic decisions, because you have a rough benchmark to go after. So that's kind of my suggestion there. When affiliate marketing, at least for me, was at its pinnacle, especially as far as kind of low budget of what we call bum marketing techniques, two things that worked really well for me was article marketing. So I published articles on several different article websites. As I said, this is not as effective. And then also posting advertisements on using eBay advertisement. So using eBay classified advertisement. So posting a classified ad on eBay, posting classified ads on back pages and Craigslist. These posts were related to the content that I was promoting. So I was promoting a weight loss product at the time. It was MetaFast, which is very similar to Nutrisystem. Also promoted Nutrisystem, which kind of these at-home meal type weight loss programs. So those were very effective for me, posting classified ads, doing the SEO, and doing article marketing. So I want to talk a little more about those later. But when it comes to targeting, especially for SEO and especially for keywords, which keywords should you optimize your site for? Which keywords should I bid on with buying traffic? You always want to try to have a balance between your long tail and some broad key terms, because you want to make sure that the keyword is popular enough that you get some traffic, but you don't want to make sure that the keyword is so popular that you have a ton of competition where you just can't afford, to pay $13 a click for a particular keyword. So I like to err on the side of caution. So always make sure that you set your initial daily budgets relatively low. I mean, for most, even AdWords, you can advertise and bid on certain keywords as low by having a daily budget as low as $5 to $10 a day. So $5 a day is probably not going to kill most people, especially if you have a little money to invest in your affiliate marketing empire that hopefully you're developing at this point. So part two, so I'm kind of jumping all over the place here, but one thing that I do want to emphasize, especially when you talk about traffic generation, you're going to be completely wasting your money if you don't follow through. So whatever you have on your landing page, whatever you have on your website that you're promoting with paid traffic or even with free traffic, you need to make sure that the advertisement is cohesive with the landing page information. Or if you're promising something, you need to make sure that you deliver on that promise, because behind every click, behind everyone clicking to your site, behind everyone clicking through an ad landing on your site, it needs to be cohesive because they click for a reason. So don't do the old bait and switch where you're over promising, everything to cure the cancer, a trip around the world for $100, or the ability to fly like Superman. And then when they click through your page, like, oh yeah, you can fly like Superman, but you need to buy a first class ticket on a 747 jumbo jet, then you can fly like Superman. Well, I was under the impression I could fly like Superman, meaning that I can have my own cape and I can fly. So that was a little misleading. I mean, that was a bit of a simple example, or maybe an extreme example, but you have to just make sure that you're being honest, because it's no bigger way of wasting traffic and burning through paid traffic as to not have that click or that advertisement match up with the actual landing page of where they're going with your particular information. So that's something I felt like I should include in this traffic section of generating traffic for your affiliate marketing efforts. As I mentioned, I had great success with eBay classified ads, Backpages classified ads, and Craigslist ads. I'll just post an advertisement, that related to my product. I kind of pre-sell them on it. I'll say, hey, free review of Nutrisystem. Find out how most people lose 30 pounds in 30 days. Okay, I use something like that. They'll click through to my site. They'll see a review of the Nutrisystem product. At the end of the review, there'll be a click for them to sign up and get 20% off on Nutrisystem. Okay, my ad was cohesive with my landing page. My review was cohesive with the promotion of getting them a discount. So you have to make sure you aren't tricking people. There are enough tricks out there, and like I said, the consumer is well educated. Consumers have a great deal of information. So transparency and word of mouth travel at the speed of light. So if you are tricking people, people don't like to be tricked online. Okay, people are already apprehensive online, especially when it comes to making certain purchases. So you want to make sure that you master, certain trust elements throughout your sales funnel, throughout your promotional process. You want to make sure that you are tapping into integrity, or at least conveying certain level of integrity. So that is the whole piece on kind of traffic generation for affiliate. Like I said, that could be another course on its own. I just wanted to give you some kind of strategies, things to keep in mind when selecting your traffic method. I'm going to see you in our next video, where I'm going to be talking about eliminating self-doubt and how everything begins in the mind. So as far as affiliate marketing is concerned, because there can be weeks and weeks and weeks where you don't make any money, and there could be one day where you just hit a waterfall of income from your affiliate efforts. So keeping a very positive attitude is going to be crucial throughout your affiliate marketing journey. So in our next video, we're going to highlight the importance of staying positive despite necessarily not seeing the positive results of your affiliate marketing efforts. So I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any questions or you want me to review any potential traffic sources, feel free to message me and or leave me a post on the discussion board, and I'll try to get back to you as promptly as possible. See you.
Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel to learn much money online with affiliate marketing deeply.